Peppa, make him turn around.
Okay, let Peppa hold the water. Hold on a minute. Here, tell me what, come here. What is this? Oh, he's coughing. What is it?
Calculator.
Calculator, that's right.
On.
What is it? What is that called?
What is this?
Calculator.
Okay.
Calculator.
See?
How many we have? 3?
3.
Okay.
3.
1, 2, 3.
Count. 1,
2,
2, 3. Yay! Yay! Look at Nanny.
How many we have?
Tell
3?
Nanny how many.
Okay, drink your water. Be careful, drink it slow. Yeah, drink your water. Did you get it?
It's running down my chin. Running down my chin. Down my chin, yeah. Running down my chin.
What? You drinking water? Out of a Nanny's big cup, huh?